Hey, welcome to this Android channel, and I wanted to talk about a messaging app. We all send or receive text messages at some point. And one of the things that exists in Samsung phones and some other phones is a default text messaging app, or a app to send SMS or MMS, MS, which are pictures in text. Often have a default from the manufacturer. So Samsung, for example, has its own Samsung app for messages. Problem is, what made me look into something else is that, of course, we heard Samsung messaging app sending random pictures of you to random contacts, which is maybe not pictures of your phone, maybe not something you want to have. So, of course, turned around and looked at what else is there, and I started using the Android Messages app, which is made by Google. And I gotta say, I'm not gonna go back to the Samsung one. For several reasons. It is simply a little better in the way that it can notify you, the notifications of apps and stuff like that, but also the fact that it actually renders things very, very easy. So for example, you get a text message with a code. If you do two-factor authentication, well, there's immediately in the preview of the text message a copy code. So it's going to tell you, without you actually having to open your messaging app, you can actually copy the code from the notification alert that you get and paste it immediately. So for example, when I go to my PayPal, of course, two-factor authentication, and I get a secret code, and that code, well, I can easily copy it directly into the PayPal app and so on. So whatever you're using. So it's pretty cool, and I actually like it. The interface is nice. If you have it, there will be a update rolling out. So here is the, just gonna kind of go into the messaging app, which is right here. It has a lot, the basic settings, but all the settings that you need. You can have an archive of all your text messages. And one of the things that is going to be nice is that it will soon update. This is not yet the latest version. It's not available for me, but some of you might have it already. If you don't, it's rolling out to us slowly, apparently in the next few weeks. You will have the latest version. Will actually have a more modern material design look, and also a dark theme, which will come to the messaging app, which I think is going to be nice. And as soon as I get that, I'm going to actually enable the dark theme. I really like it. So Android Messages is actually not bad at all. And if you're looking for something else to send and receive those text messages that you have, well, why not check it out? It's free, and it's made by Google. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.